Most people use these things every single day, but they cannot say their names in English. Today, that changes. We are going to look at 50 everyday objects, things in your kitchen, your bedroom, your bathroom, and I will show you exactly what each one is called in English. Ready? Let's go.
What is this called?
Kettle.
What is this called?
Frying pan.
What is this called?
Cutting board.
What is this called?
Colander.
What is this called?
Ladle.
What is this called?
Spatula.
What is this called?
Grater.
What is this called?
Oven mitt.
What is this called?
Dish rack.
What is this called?
Measuring cup.
What is this called?
Toothbrush.
What is this called?
Razor.
What is this called?
Shampoo bottle.
What is this called?
Towel.
What is this called?
Toilet brush.
What is this called?
Mirror.
What is this called?
Loofah.
What is this called?
Cotton swab.
What is this called?
Pillow.
What is this called?
Duvet.
What is this called?
Alarm clock.
What is this called?
Wardrobe.
What is this called?
Coat hanger.
What is this called?
Bedside lamp.
What is this called?
Stapler.
What is this called?
Paper clip.
What is this called?
Sticky note.
What is this called?
Bender.
What is this called?
Highlighter.
What is this called?
Scissor.
What is this called?
Tape dispenser.
What is this called?
Ballpoint pen.
What is this called?
Sofa.
What is this called?
Coffee table.
What is this called?
Remote control.
What is this called?
Bookshelf.
What is this called?
Curtain.
What is this called?
Throw blanket.
What is this called?
Belt.
What is this called?
Shoelace.
What is this called?
Glove.
What is this called?
Scarf.
What is this called?
Zipper.
What is this called?
Button.
What is this called?
Fridge.
What is this called?
Microwave.
What is this called?
Charger.
What is this called?
Extension cord.
What is this called?
Thermostat.
What is this called?
Smoke detector.